Okay, hi everyone. Um, I'm Jude Stern from IAPB, the International Agency for the Prevention of Blindness. And we're here to chat to a few friends today from the Fred Hollows Foundation ahead of World Sight Day. I'd just like to acknowledge the traditional owners of the land that I'm speaking from and the land of the Gadigal people of the Eora Nation. So we're talking here today to the Fred Hollows Foundation ahead of World Sight Day to hear about the work that they are doing to mark this day of significance for global eye health. So a warm welcome to Gabby Selwyn and Sally Ingram from Fred Hollows. I wanted to chat with both of you today as we approach World Sight Day this year. Gabby, as Internal Comms Manager, we'll start with you, if that's okay. Eye health is what Fred Hollows Foundation programs deliver around the world. But how does eye health play a role internally at the foundation?
Thanks so much, Jude. It's great to be here chatting with you too. As you rightly say, we deliver eye health programs in over 25 countries around the world, but advocating for eye health internally, we feel builds a connection with our people to our organisational vision for a world where no person is needlessly blind or vision impaired. So we feel that sharing this year's theme of Love Your Eyes at Work with our people across all our global teams is a really great way to highlight this. I would also say that a great workplace looks out for its staff. So even employees of global eye health organisations need a reminder to love our eyes.
Yes, I have to agree with that. It's a very easy thing to not think of yourself, even though you're immersed in it all day, every day. As an organisation, the foundation has employees around the world. How do you communicate with them to make sure they prioritise their own eye health and get them excited, about the campaign "Love Your Eyes at Work"?
Exactly. We do have a global remote talented workforce all over the country and all over the world. And basically, we see World Sight Day as an opportunity for internal advocacy. And externally, we have a number of activations to celebrate and leverage World Sight Day, including a major Love Your Eyes awareness campaign in Hong Kong that's kicked off recently, and a number of eye screenings across various programming countries. I'm pleased to say that the foundation has also pledged 500,000 eye screenings this year to try and match your goal, IAPB's World Sight Day, which I believe is 10 million screenings. And we have also invited your very own Drew Keys to chat with our staff about the importance of loving your eyes at work. He's going to share some of your key IAPB resources, and this will happen at an all-staff session this Thursday's World Sight Day.
No, that's fabulous. It's wonderful after spending so much time putting the resources together, to see them being used in action, and we'd love to hear how they go. And also incredible to hear that Hollows Foundation has pledged 500,000 eye screenings. It's remarkable, and thank you to all your organisation for the incredible work that everybody does. Thanks, Gabby. Now we have Sally Ingram here from the Foundation's People and Organisational Development team, or POD, I believe, as it's called. Sally heads up their talent and capability team. Sally, what practices does the foundation have in place to support the eye health of employees?
Oh, thanks, Jude. Like Gabby said, the internal advocacy is really important. And so we do a number of things, and some of those include, I guess even above that is the priority that the foundation places on the health and wellbeing of our people globally. And one way we do this in regards to eye health is to provide medical insurance in the countries where it's required, and that medical insurance will cover eye health checks. There are some countries like Australia where we don't need to provide the medical insurance because we've got our Medicare system here, and eye health checks are included in that. But if you're in a place where the medical insurance we provide or the healthcare system doesn't provide those eye health checks, then the foundation will reimburse the cost of an eye health check. So it's covered under a multitude of different opportunities, but it's definitely there. We also have a number of other things that we do. So things like regular health and safety e-learning that talks, amongst other things, about ergonomics and best practice for people. And through that, our people are encouraged to talk to their manager or other representatives about the specific equipment that they might need to help them out. And that would go for anything, including eye strain or visual discomfort, things like that. Also, opportunities arise internally all the time, where there's an opportunity to share that eye health message. So an example is last year, one of our colleagues shared the 20-20-20 rule as a reminder in one of the sessions that he was in. And then even bigger things like the offices. So our offices are located in modern, well-lit premises, and we know that that's also a factor in supporting the eye health of our people. So we probably have a range of things that we do to support eye health.
Yeah, and that's remarkable to be able to, from the reminders and the staff connections, but through to, thinking about health insurance and how people can actually, afford health, eye healthcare is, a really big deal in most of the world. And what advice would you give to an organisation that would like to add eye health initiatives to their policies and practices, but just really not sure where to start? What would you say to them?
I would actually say that the IAPB Love Your Eyes at Work materials are really fantastic. I went and had a look at them to prepare for this, and I think they're a really great place for an organisation to start. They're simple. I really liked the checklist for employers. Again, I thought it was really simple, but really practical, operational things that you can do to check and implement if you're doing it. And I'd also say I looked at the global challenge, and I think that's really fun and a really good way to get involved. And I think we'll be putting that on our agenda for next year.
Oh, brilliant. Yeah, it's a great way to unify across the sector, but also to sort of really amplify efforts globally and see that, so much we do across so many different countries is similar, and working together we can, achieve so much.
Yeah.
So thank you both, Sally and Gabby, for joining me today and talking about World Sight Day and Love Your Eyes, and how the Fred Hollows Foundation is participating in the Love Your Eyes campaign this World Sight Day. And good luck with everything, and please let us know how it all goes.
Thank you, Jude.
Thank you so much, Jude.